So I just checked in at the hotel and I got everything in here and I decided, well, I picked up a new box today from Eagle Creek. And it was sitting in my car and I was like, you know what the hell, I might as well go ahead and do an opening or unopening or whatever terminology you want to use on my latest thing from Eagle Creek. I've been with Eagle Creek since back in 1995 time frame. And you can't see the writing that I can see, but this is the Gear Warrior convertible. And we'll talk more about it in a few minutes. Now you say it's convertible. It looks like a rolled bag. That's what you're thinking, right? And it is, but it does more. And I'll show you in just a few minutes. So again, this is the Eagle Creek Convertible Carry-On Gear Warrior. And I saw this online and I was very interested by it. And then when I did research on it, unfortunately, I only found like 2 or 3 videos about it. Everybody else hasn't really said anything about it. And from the video that I did see and from my reviews that I've read, it actually seemed like a cool bag. So with that, give me a second. I'm going to go ahead and shut the camera off, take the plastic off, and we'll go from there. So again, this is the Eagle Creek Gear Warrior, and it's actually a convertible bag that makes it actually goes from 1 bag to 2, and I'll show you what I mean by that. On the front of the bag, you see a backpack. Snap, 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 and off it comes. And now you have a backpack. And it's an 18-liter backpack. Straps are actually here under the zipper. And then you have a rolling bag by itself. Fairly large in size. Comes with a little diagram of what can be put in there. It's got some hold down or some luggage straps to keep stuff in place. It has a zippered away handle. I'm using it as a roll bag. And as you can see, very nice. And then of course it's got a zippered pouch here on the flap. If you unzip this portion right here, you can pull out the 2 straps, and then you cinch them down here to a little fastener down here on both sides. And it does have the chest strap to help it stay in place. It has a front pouch right here, and it's got 2 water bottle pouches right there. And of course some type of tie down here. A water bottle there. Once you unzip it, of course, you have a small pouch here for items and something maybe for a laptop or an iPad, but it's not very well cushioned, so I wouldn't put anything in there. I'd be very careful. If I did put a laptop in there, I'd probably put a laptop that's already in another case. And then of course normal storage room down there. You say, okay, so you have a bag, a rolling bag, with a bag in front of it. What's so cool about that? Well, it gets better. If I turn it around, you see I got something different on the back that you would normally see. And let's see what's inside there. Oh, fastener down here. Fastener down here. What do you think is here? If you don't know, it's a backpack strap. So you can actually take this out, take it out and use it like you would for a backpack. So you could actually if you had to go up some stairs or you had to do different things with the bag, you could actually put the bag on as a backpack and go from there. So let me put the camera down for a second and let me put on the straps together, and then you can see what it looks like once you bring it together, once you connect everything up. So I've gone ahead and connected the strap here, the harness here. Looks pretty good. Now here's the part that's really cool. You've got a waist strap, but to use that you have to put away the cover right here. And this is the cool part, because right below here there's a little stash point where you go ahead and place that inside there. So with that, give me a second, because I didn't bring a tripod that I could hold this. So let me go ahead and start that, and then I'll show you what I'm doing. And then of course, now you have straps. And these straps will go down here. They cover the wheel, and there's Velcro down here at the base, like so. Now you don't have to worry about the wheels digging into you, or maybe placing dirt on your clothing. And you have a waist strap if you're carrying heavy gear. Actually a pretty cool idea. I've seen other stuff similar to this, but not as cool as this. Primarily with my think tank bags. One of my think tank bags does something very similar to this. And I think there's a Vanguard bag that does something like that too. And there's one more thing that's pretty cool that I haven't talked about yet, and I'll show you. If, for example, the bag is getting very heavy, you have the ability to pull this out. And this will give it more stability. So this is the bag in the koala mode, where the straps on the front connected to the back straps, and these straps are actually internal to the bag itself. And this allows you to carry the bag in front of you while you're moving around, and still have security on the back of it if you need to. Very cool concept. Or your Convertible, 21-inch rolling bag with a backpack all in one, or you can have both. Cool concept. I'm going to actually be traveling this weekend, so I'm going to try playing with it. I'm going to move some of my stuff from one of my other bags into that and see how it goes. So yeah, pretty cool.